In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to layer decal. Simple as that. Stick around, I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. Yes, it is. Anyway, today I'm gonna do layering decal. Yeah, it sounds right? I'm gonna layer the decal. It's pretty simple. You know, it's like a 1, 2, 3 process, especially the design that I'm gonna do today. So it's gonna be very easy. But before we hop into the video, I'm gonna run through this real quick. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, share this video, drop your boy a comment. You feel me? Drop your boy a comment after the video and smash the like button for your boy. All right, I might have said that already, but anyway, just smash it. You know, share the video too, and don't forget, go check out the #1 vinyl in the world, the B-FLEX Gimme5. They got multiple colors. You could do layers with the B-FLEX Gimme5. So go check them out at the vinyl stand. I'm telling you, you will love it. 285 for a second. Go check them out. The vinyl stand link is down below. Go check it after the video. Next up, go check out Econo transfer vinyl. They are really great at their puff vinyl. I use their puff vinyl all the time. Matter of fact, I just done making a t-shirt for a customer using their puff white vinyl, but they got multiple colors that you can use. They got navy blue, orange, they got white, black, you name it, they got it. So go check out Econo transfer vinyl. Link is down below. And also go check out Heat Transfer Warehouse. Heat Transfer Warehouse. Go get your sublimation blank. Go get your t-shirt. Go get super color. If you want to try super color, you could just go to Heat Transfer Warehouse and order super color. You could get the #1 heat press, in my opinion, the Hotronix. I'm telling you, once you set that bad boy to 285 for a second to get that B-FLEX right, or Econo transfer, it's gonna be right. That's the temperature you're going to get. And you can also get the Caesar Easyweed vinyl on Heat Transfer Warehouse. Link is down below. Go check them out after the video, and also go check out my Amazon stuff down below. Come on, man, what's wrong with you guys? You know, I got cats and dogs to feed outside. Anyway, now let's roll into the video. Okay, so now we are in Silhouette Studio and we are live. No, we're not. So this is what I'm gonna get this is what I'm gonna make for the customer, not get, make for the customer. But guys, I'm telling you, you got to get the Silhouette Business Edition. It's way better. There's other stuff you could do that you can't do with the basics, and it's Business Edition. So anyway, I made a video on how to install the code to upgrade it. Check out the video right somewhere here. I'll put it up. All right, I'm telling you, upgrade, get it. Now let's roll into the video. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna make for the customer. It should look like this, right? It should have the white and the black outline. You see the black outline to make the cute little Frenchy face show. Okay, so we want the black vinyl on here, on the, you know, around it, and the white gonna be on there. So let's get moving on how to do it. So the first thing I need to do is get me the size that I want it to be. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna trace this bad boy, right? To get the trace tool, you could always come to the panel, and trace is right there. Okay, so now hit the trace. I don't need this anymore. right? So that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm gonna come over here. I hit the drawing tool. I need a box. R square, whatever this is. Right, boom. Duplicate it. Bring it to this side. And let's make sure it's even. Good. Group it. Duplicate it. So what I need to do now, I'm going to use this part, right? This is going to be the black that I'm going to use. So now we just need to get rid of all this over here. So let's release compound. Whoops. Release compound. And what's going on? Let's come over. Oh, ungroup it first. Sorry. And then we're going to get rid of. Let's get rid of everything. Yeah, I'm sure there's an easier way to do it, but I want to do this part for me. Okay, now let's group this bad boy back together. Now watch, when I put this over, it should make it easier to line up. Bam. So that's what that's there for, to line it up, right? So this is gonna be the white part, and this is the black outline. So let me take you to my Cameo 3, and we're gonna cut it. Let's go. Don't forget, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Share the video, please. Have to be very delicate with it, okay? Because you don't want the part that you don't want to lift up. So take your time, and I'm gonna speed through this. Alright, so this is it, all done. Let's get to the next one. This one is going to be very easy. That's it for that one. Now, this is the way it will be.
Watch me carefully, please.
It's gonna go on top, but let's get the transfer sheet. Boom! Remember, everything that I'm using in this video, you could find it at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Heat Transfer Warehouse, you could find all these bad boys. Okay, so this is the transfer sheet. You know, this clear plastic thing, that's the transfer sheet you need. So now I'm gonna peel it off and I'm gonna try to line it up properly on this. Let's get busy. Now I don't need these anymore. So now I'm just gonna make sure everything sticks. So when it goes to the customer, the customer peel away. Now let's trim the edges so it look presentable for the customer. And there you go. Now it's good for the customer. So this is how you would layer your vinyl. I mean, there's many other ways you could do, but this is the way Flex said you should do it. And that's the bottom line. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share the video, show your friends how well this is, and don't forget, all these material are available at Heat Transfer Warehouse. And also go check out my site, www.comfortstyle.com. It's your boy Flex McKenzie, and guess what? I'm out.